Hey everybody, Rich here with Torus CNC. I figured I'd make another short video showcasing a new feature on the grinder, the M-90-AL. So, as you can probably see, there's no gas shock anymore. Instead, I've got this ratchet mechanism that I'm going to be using. You can see there, it's you got your ratchet pawl spring loaded at the ratchet block here. Both these components are made from 304 stainless, so they should be plenty stout. Shouldn't have any worries with wear. Alright, I'll show you kind of how it works. Basically, you take your palm, press up, down, got your belt change, done, pop it into place. There you go. Each belt's probably going to track just a little bit differently from one another, but that's it. Tracking wheel, same here. Got this 1/2 inch aluminum, the ratchet pawl, and the gear block, or whatever that's called. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped about it because the gas shock has been fine, but I don't know. It seems like anytime you can eliminate something that could potentially fail, you probably should, right? So, it's going from a lighter belt, a heavier 60 grit. Yeah, there you have it. Bam. Oh man, I just realized what I've done too. I didn't wear safety glasses in the whole video. I'm usually pretty much a stigma on that, so my bad on that. Because you only get these two eyeballs. We don't want to be trying to do our hobbies when we can't see what we're doing, right? All right. Once again, thanks everybody who's bought a grinder recently and in the past. And these will be up for sale. I'm still working on what pricing I'm going to do on them. And I have designed them so that way they should even retrofit to the M90, the previous version. I'll put a video up sometime when I get a chance. I'll put one on an older M90 just to make sure, but it should be like a plug and play, so to speak. I wanted to make sure that they were backwards compatible this time because sometimes that has not happened from my very first grinder. So this one though should be fine to retrofit. I'll have to come up with, like I said, a pricing on it, but because there is a fair bit of machining to it and material cost and whatnot. But for people who have bought one in the past, I want to make sure that if you want that upgrade, I'll probably offer a better price for people who are retrofitting a grinder that they bought in the past than just somebody buying one. I don't know why you'd buy one just outright, but I guess if you were building your own grinder, maybe you'd want one. So I guess that's it for today. Thanks again, and happy Friday, everyone. Have a great weekend. Thanks.